Patience is a virtue, and we all agree with that. It is the anchor that firmly holds us from losing our mind in something as small as a billing queue to a serious hardship in life. Yet somehow, time and again, we get untethered from this anchor, judging things, people, and situations constantly when they don't conform to our expectations, snapping at random people, cursing processes that we feel are wasting our time. Miracles of technology have made it only worse, fooling us with the belief that everything can be done in just 3 clicks. Well, technology is constantly evolving, and it will continue to dazzle us. And maybe we will accomplish tasks in 3 blinks of our eyes a decade from now. Does that mean we will grow more impatient and shout at each other at the drop of a hat? Will patience grow dormant in us as a trait and eventually get extinct? I hope not, because we are humans, bubbling with life, energy, and emotions. We will find our way back to the anchor which we had got drifted away from. Strengthen our bond with the anchor through small and otherwise insignificant acts in our day-to-day life, such as count 30 seconds more before we request the cashier in our neighborhood supermart to process faster. Count 30 seconds more before we honk at the car ahead of us in traffic. Count 30 seconds more before we frown at any requests made by our colleagues at work, and so on. Through these small efforts repeatedly, we will also see patience transform into perseverance and come to our aid in more important aspects of life, such as secure the much-awaited promotion at work, mend a broken relationship, pull through harsh medical treatment, and any other hurdle challenging our existence. Many say life is a journey, not a destination. If true, then patience oils the engine of life to prevent frequent breakdowns. Closing our eyes for just more than a minute, let's connect with our inner self. Keep your breath gentle and normal paced. Think of an emotion that makes you happy. As you inhale, think of that positive emotion filling in your body. And as you exhale, imagine letting out anything that doesn't serve your body and mind. Understand and accept that haste can only make waste. Thank all those around us who have been patient with us and draw inspiration from them to heighten our tolerance towards others and life. As we slowly open our eyes, I would like to end today's pause with a quote by Mahatma Gandhi. To lose patience is to lose the battle. I hope you found this pause helpful. And until we meet next, remember, when in doubt, pause and proceed. Namaskara.